Meet Echo Spot,
Hi there.
a compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
Echo Spot from Amazon.